Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to add object detection API from MLKit to our project. Let's go straight to our libs.version files and add MLKit object detection. I'm not a big fan of it. It still needs to be improved way much better, but I'm gonna just show you how you can use it inside your app. Let's add it inside the build.gradle file. First thing can go straight inside the FilterStorage. Let's add the key of it up here and add the object detection variable inside this config data class. And for the load and save function also, I'm gonna add the same and then go to the filters UI state. I'm gonna add a new instance of the state of object detection, add the reload from storage variables or setters here, and then go straight inside the filters dialog to add the new menu item down below everything. And of course, for the object detection, we use it from the state. Now let's add its class and take a look inside this processor class. It's exactly the same as before. It's going to get an object detection from the MLKit library and then call the apply function, which is a suspend function, and is going to run suspend cancelable coroutine to collaborate with success listener or success callback from this library. And then using these functions, we are going to draw around the object that is being detected, and of course label them that what are they look like. So you can read all of this, but these are just some generated code that I've used ChatGPT to generate this entire function. So let's jump to the pipeline class and add this new processor class here, down here or so. And for the condition, I'll add it right after the last one. Also make sure that we close the instance of it. So the last thing to do is going to the WebRTC factory class and add the initial state of it, object detection. Then inside the reload, use the object detection and get it from the CFG object detection. And right here, as the parameter of enabled class, we simply pass this state to that. We should be able to run our application and check if this new feature is working fine. Now let's press call to enable. Let's remove the previous image labeling and add object detection. You can see it's not working pretty much fine. I have no idea how does it work, but all it does is just, it's like an object counter rather than an object detector. So that's how you can implement the object detector inside your application. Till the next video, see you everyone.